Hello students, welcome to Kolan Mathematics. Today we will discuss Geometry Class 4. So let's begin today's chapter. The first concept we are going to discuss is point. What is a point? A point is a tiny dot that shows an exact location. It has no length, width, or thickness. It is usually named with a capital letter, example A, B, C. Examples of a point are the tip of a pencil, a star in the sky, a dot made with a pen. What is a line? A line is a straight path that goes endlessly in both directions. So, this is the definition of a line. A line is made up of many points. Very important. A line is made up of many points. It has no endpoints and is usually named using 2 points on it. Example AB. Examples: the edge of a ruler. Second, the horizon in the sky. Third, a straight railway track. So this is the image of a straight railway track. Next, a, a straight path that extends in both directions without ending is called a line. Examples: highway roads and laser beams. Second, line segment. So what is the line segment? A part of a line with two endpoints is called line segments. Examples: the length of a table, the edges of a book. Next, number 3, ray, a part of a line that has one endpoint and extends infinitely in one direction is called a ray. Example: sun rays, flashlight beam. Next, types of lines based on position. Horizontal line runs left to right. So this is a horizontal line from left to right. So this is a horizontal line. Vertical line runs top to bottom. So this is a vertical line which runs from top to bottom. Straight slanting line means slopes. So this type of line which is neither vertical nor horizontal. So this type of line is called slanting line. So these are the important concepts of class 4 geometry. Try to understand this concept because these are very important. So this is all for the day. Thank you very much for watching.